Aishwarya, and today I'll be sharing with you a makeup video. It can be a casual or a party or whatever you can term it as.
I could see you by the
As you can
fire.
see, this is how the
Listen,
makeup is going to look.
there's
So without
something
any
I
further
must
ado,
confide. I know I
let's
said
get
that it would be.
started.
I know I made it look like it'd be alright. But
So
I
to start
think
off
I
with,
learned
let's
my
apply the
lesson,
primer.
and I'm not
A
gonna lie
primer
to
lets your face look like a plain
myself.
painting canvas.
You can
Next
call
is the
me
concealer.
killer,
I'm using a yellow color
'cause I'll
corrector
bring it
to
to
conceal
you
my eyes
right.
first of all because they are
Anyone
dark,
sees me
and dark
through,
under
but
eyes
you
or something should be always
inside to
concealed
guide.
with yellow
You can call
correctors because
me
they lighten the
killer
area and make it look
as you
like
look
less
into
dark.
my eyes.
As you can see, you're
I
supposed to
said
blend it a
I
lot,
think
like a
it
lot,
this
because everything
time.
needs to be blended completely. Next is the concealer that goes with my under eye highlighting shade. Apply this all over the area where you've applied the yellow color corrector and blend it well so that you don't see the yellowness but you see the shade that you're gonna get after you like highlight or something. I keep my base a bit light so that my makeup doesn't drown after hours of working and everything. I'm gonna use two foundations. One is by the Body Shop and the other is by L'Oreal Matte Magique. I mix these two colors to get my base right. Sometimes it gets light, so I add more of the darker shade, that is the one from the Body Shop. I saw that I was making myself a white bhoot, so I eventually added a lot of Body Shop foundation to get that a little bit of my skin color. But still, like I told you, I like to keep my skin a little white, on the whitish tone, and because when the makeup sets in completely, it gives you a beautiful finish. All you have to do is keep blending because that is how you'll get that perfect look. I know I've got a few acne spots, but it's okay. Blending will make it look all right. Next is the eyeshadow. I'm using the 24K nude palette by Maybelline. First I'm applying a light colored base as shown so that I create a base of the eyelid for the eyeshadow. Next, I've applied a brown eyeshadow in my crease and on my eyelid, completely covering it, and I'm blending it with it. Blending is a must in everything, whether it be eyes, face, anything. It removes the crease. Next, we are using a shimmery color which will give us a bit of a lightish bounce to the eyes. I don't like to keep the eye makeup a bit dark always because it generally doesn't go well with everything, and it depends on what kind of look you want. Do you want it to be a day look or a night look? Like if you want a day look, you can keep it a bit light, and if you want the night look, you can keep it a bit dark. Fixing your eyebrows is a must because filling in is always necessary. There are spots where you can just go wrong with it, so filling is a must. I'm setting it with a brow gel. Next, I'm using this kajal by Nykaa IM to eyeline my eyes completely. I'm not doing a winged liner, but I'm just keeping it a bit thick so that it gives definition to my eyes. I will also give the lower lash line definition with it. I will cover both upper and lower of my eyes with kajal so that they cover it up to create that old look. And now it's time to set my base right. So I'm using this L'Oreal Matte Magique powder. And the next step is mascara. I like to give myself a voluminous lash, so it looks all dramatic. I like the dramatic look at times. Next, I'm applying the blush. I'll mention everything in the description box. Highlighting is a must. Next is the lipstick and the lip liner. I'm using a Huda Beauty Lip Contour lip liner in the shade Video Star. This is actually a dupe which I bought from an online Instagram store. Next, I'll be applying a lip shade by Maybelline. It's a beautiful pink shade which I love. I actually love. Everything will be mentioned in the description box, whatever has been applied. And then I add a bit of a highlighter in the middle of my lips, because I like the highlighted look, like the ends to be dark and the middle to be a bit highlighted. So this was it. I hope you like it. This is how it looks and the final look. I hope you liked the video, and if you ever do a look of it, please do not hesitate to share it on our Facebook page. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram and our blog if you still haven't, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as Akriti says, find the little secrets of life with us. Bye.